Hello everyone, and welcome to Delft Stack. If you are seeing the ERR_SSL_protocol error while trying to browse the web, it means your computer and the website's server are failing to establish a secure connection. I will show you exactly how to clear your security cache and update your protocols to fix this right now. Let's get started. First, we need to remove any outdated or corrupted security certificate data that might be interfering with your connection. Press your Windows key, type Internet Options, and press Enter to open the Properties menu. Navigate to the Content tab and click on the Clear SSL State button. You should see a confirmation message stating that the SSL cache was successfully cleared, which effectively flushes out old handshake data that often triggers this protocol error. Next, you must ensure that your system is configured to use all available security versions to communicate with modern websites. In the same Internet Properties window, click on the Advanced tab and scroll down until you reach the Security section. Locate the checkboxes for Use SSL and Use TLS and make sure every available version is ticked, then click OK. This ensures your browser can utilize the specific encryption standards required by different web servers. Finally, if the protocol error persists, you can use the built-in Windows diagnostic tools to fix underlying configuration issues. Search for Troubleshoot Settings in your Start menu and open it. Navigate to Other Troubleshooters, find the Network and Internet option, and click Run. Windows will automatically scan for connectivity problems and attempt to repair them for you. If the issue still isn't resolved, try restarting your computer to fully refresh your background network services. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.